Good morning, everyone. Starting live early this morning. Plan on streaming a little bit more. With you all. Good morning. How did everyone end up doing yesterday? Hopefully, you didn't give back our profits. Make sure you share the invites. Good morning, Lady Hustle. What's up, Madman? How you doing? Good morning, Jackson. Yes, it is cold in Tennessee. Not as cold as it was yesterday morning, at least. Jesus. I'm good. Doing well. Hopefully, keep the win streak going this week. I ended up taking one more trade yesterday. It was just a scalp again. I didn't make a ton of money yesterday, but I had two winning trades. Have any? It's nothing crazy. It's just I was just talking about this week. We're do we have the same numbers this morning, everyone? Same contracts? Oh, I gotta get logged into my broker. Excuse me. All right, so we're on the same page, everyone. What contracts are you all trading on MNQ or no? Let's say NQ or MNQ. I just want to make sure everyone's on the same page so there's no confusion in here, so people can see it in the chat. I'm talking about on Tradovate. I appreciate all the likes already on TikTok. You all are crushing it already. I keep seeing some nice people catching nice trades in Asia. We're gonna have to start streaming it some. I'm always done to make more money with you all. We just, We got to find the right times. For me, the way I trade, the morning session has been the best time for me since I started. Like I do the best during this time. But seems like futures and starts at 6. Good morning. Six p.m. Still have to send out one of the take profit accounts I gave away. I haven't sent it yet. Just received the information yesterday for your own here. So nice, Corey.
Today? Everyone wake up, do something positive for this? Not allowed. No Fruit Loops allowed.
Good morning, Team Bull.
Brandon's the only Fruit Loop in Team Bull.
Good morning, Jada.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing?
Doing well, man. Just looking at charts.
Looking at charts.
We have PMI at 9:45, and we have business inventories at 10 a.m. So,
all right,
a couple of things back to back there.
Back to back. I got some money. Let's make us some moolah. You got any plans for today? For the trading day?
Oh yeah, I gotta make a video and stuff.
Or do you have any plans for the trading day? Do you have anything on watch?
Oh no. Right now, yeah, I'm watching. I'm watching for a possible short up around pre-market highs if we push up there.
Are we talking data strategy?
Yes.
Are we talking what I think we're talking?
If we even get up there, it's looking weak. Looking weak.
We're talking gas
Sauna,
strategy, baby.
Jaden, how hot does your sauna go? I gotta buy one.
My infrared goes to like 130 to 140, but
I
it's
know.
like that's hot for infrared.
I need like 180. I like 180 in the
No,
sauna.
but that's heat sauna, bro. Infrared, dude, I promise you, you're sitting in infrared at 140 for 30 minutes, you will be cooked.
All right,
I promise you.
I'll go with that.
Trust me. When it comes to saunas, Jay Dunn is the king, sauna king, the biohacking king.
Man, I'm excited to get my gym built.
That is exciting, bro.
It's gonna be a gym slash home office, so that's where I'm gonna work from as well. Team Bull, no, there's no wait list for Team Bull right now. No. If you want to get in Team Bull, you can just go to my website. There's a link there, grizzlytrades.com. You can join from it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Push down to VWAP. That pre-market high area is what I'm watching for possible reject. Maybe that 25,400, 25,386, right around that area. Any questions? We've got plenty of time here. I swear, most of YouTube does not show, well, TikTok as well, does not show up until right at market open. Or a little bit after. I guess that's just where I need to make it a habit of going live just a little earlier for everyone. I plan on streaming a lot more once I get my home gym slash office built. I think the change up will be nice. Telling you all, I really like that pre-market high reject. I'm watching it. We may have to use options to get it though, because it's basically looking for the data strategy here. We may have to trade some. Let me see. Let me look at SPY here. It's been a minute, hasn't it, Alex? Appreciate that, Wes. We should all be switched over with the contracts now. Yes. How you doing this morning, Nick? You putting in the work already, I see. Oh, my Grizzology update will be dropped today, by the way, everyone. One is ready. I just gotta drop it. Finally. It's gonna have opening print. It's gonna have previous week's high and low if you like, or you can just turn them off if you don't want them. And it's gonna have something else I think you all like if I can get it worked out. Get it to exactly where I want it today. I'm gonna work on it after we finish our trading session. Any last just some fine tuning, you know. Appreciate that, G-Man. Sipping on some coffee, Nick? Yeah, me too. I may need to grab me a fresh cup. I'm good. Still warm enough. Opening print? No, it's gonna be for like the 9:30 a.m. ET opening print. Is that what you all wanted when you asked me for opening print, right? For Grizzology? That's what I'm adding. Good morning. What do I think about the new proposal for the NASDAQ to trade 24/7? I think it's going to be wild. Going to be a lot of sleep deprived people on here. Not me, though. I'm still going to bed at the same time. But yeah, it should be interesting. I thought it was crazy when they added in same day expiration on ETS. SPY QQQ. All right, everyone. We got about 4 minutes or so. So share the live. Let's get everyone in here and let's hopefully have another winning day. Gonna try our best. Think we continue down? I don't know. It looks like we're weak right now, kind of bear flagging. I hope we push up to this pre-market high area before we do so. That's where I'm looking to try to catch a short entry or buy some, QQQ or SPY puts. Try to catch the move down. It's a little bit risky taking it with futures. The type of trade I'm looking for there could have some drawdown, Data strat, yeah. Good morning. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Good morning, Miss K. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in.
Yep.
Let's do this. Good luck, everyone.
We are below 234, guys. We are below 234.
Let's do this. YouTube and TikTok, time to focus in, okay? See if we can catch a trade. Yes, you can share the live for sure. Go ahead. Can someone help Henny out there in chat, please? I'm watching this. I'm watching for a push up to this pre-market high area for a short.
We need to play with the market if
What's up, Jaden? I'm watching it if we push up there. If we get to that pre-market high area. We may have to trade options though for less risk on this. Could be some drawdown.
I'll rip the data strategy with you. I'll support you with it.
or you 274 for the moment. Six about the kicks.
We hit Asia high there, rejecting now. What's when we get above that to that reject area I'm watching. Good morning. How's your morning? Oh, don't sell off yet. I'm glad.
I was hoping we'd get a little higher.
Me too, man. But that's been the story of our lives this week.
Yeah, right.
Last week.
Early rejects.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, looking here to see if I can take the shorts or not. Watching perception.
Greg looking for shorts. I'm gonna be patient. Not taking shorts until we get up pre-market high. Yeah, we have data in 15, well, a little less than 15 minutes. 9:45, we have PMI. Then we have more at 10. At 10 a.m., we have business inventories. Excuse me. That non-farm payroll is horrible. Did you all see that? Horrible. Am I even reading that right? What are you all seeing on non-farm payroll? Is that negative 105? Crazy. Welcome in, everyone. Make sure you follow. I'll go live every morning. We had a winning trade yesterday. We're looking for one today. And remember, if you all want to get funded, try funded accounts so you don't have to trade your own capital with futures. Go to my web, grizzlytrades.com. You'll see Apex and Take Profit there. Check them out, two of the best in the game. Use code Grizzly. Yeah, appreciate it. Back to focus on catching us a trade now. Back to focusing on catching us a trade now. Yes, Grizzology update will be dropping today. Correct. You are correct. Yep, I wouldn't do it, Bill, personally. Don't go short here, my friends. What's up, Boss DJ? I'll get your account sent out. That was you, right, Boss DJ? Getting the account. I'll get it sent to you today. I meant to do it yesterday. I just slipped my mind. Yeah, October, correct? Trying to see what it's saying here. Yeah, October we had negative 105 versus negative 25. Just for clarification there. Yeah. Everyone's expecting like a crazy session today, so we'll see what happens. You know how that goes. No trades yet. We was looking for a short entry up around this area. We hit that previous day close. You see how we rejected that? We was looking for a little higher for our shorts, but I need to take a look at SPY real quick. In front of me here. SPY is selling off. Huh. Some divergence. Well, not a whole lot. Yes, it is, EJ. It's weird. Weird price action. Looks like SPY wants more downside, but I can't take a short until we get up to my actual area I'm watching, so. Unless we, get a different setup. It seemed like people were having some issues out of Top Step this morning for those that use that. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just saying I see it in Team Bull chat. Is Tradevate not working? Wait a second. Who's MJ? You said Tradevate's messed up. What do you mean? Mine seems to be working fine. 6058. Terry, mine's working. So, Tradeovate, my personal Tradeovate, and I have some evals pulled up to trade today as well, everyone. If you're in my lives trading with me, I don't ask anything. Well, sometimes I ask for some likes, but I don't ask anything but to stay disciplined and do not oversize. If we trade together, remember 3 to 5 M and Q is all you need. I'm so tired of people oversizing and just hurting themselves. So if you trade with me, I do ask that you follow the plan. What is going on here? We do have news in 2 minutes, everyone. Well, a minute and 20 seconds to be exact. PMI. Yeah, they roll your contracts. Oh no, I didn't, Boss DJ. Not even close. So with futures, you have quarterly contracts that expire, and you have to roll them once we get close. Once TradingView rolls theirs, that's when I roll mine. But typically, you want to look at the contracts whenever the new one has more volume than the one you're trading. Then it's time to switch. Appreciate all the likes. 13,000 likes on TikTok already. Nice. We have point of control. Where's your point of control? Right here at this previous day lowest, where point of control is right now. Is anyone in a trade?
Nope.
I'm looking the shots. So, if price action is confirmed.
What are you looking at, Grizzly?
Watching for a short entry. I mean, once we get out of this 15-minute range, at least. Not before. I was hoping we'd push up the pre-market and I was going to rip some shorts around that 386 to 400.
Was too fast.
Easy. These are some aggressive candles too.
Watching.
I'm staying patient today, especially after I was red yesterday. See an A+ setup, we're good.
Appreciate that, Naya. You need to roll, Terry. Did you roll your contracts, Terry? What a bounce. That's why you gotta wait till you're out of the range.
Its price action is crazy.
I would be very careful today. Some wild
Yes,
price action.
it's wild.
But I can't take a trade till we get out of this range.
Oh. Look at that price. Price action is violent.
Yeah, man. It's wild.
Every time I see a candle like that, I think about all the money prop firms made off that 1 5-minute candle.
Look at these 1-minute candles. These are literally like 50, 60, 70 point 1-minute candles.
Seems like everyone's having trouble out top step.
You mean drop step? Shit step? What? Sorry. So I let my tongue slip.
What a wild candle.
Basically, I'm looking at this level as well. 3 to 6. Because this is another 4-hour range going from 3 to 6 to 433. Let's see what
Come
we
on.
do.
Push up a little more. Still watching for reject right in this area, everyone. 86
371
to
is a
400.
so we take the longs. Must be above this.
I'm still-
371.
I'm still
Just
watching
to be
the
safe.
same reject area, everyone. So if you're trading with me, let's focus on that level.
Which one are you watching?
386 up to 400 on NQ. I'll be trading M and Q, but that's where I'm looking for shorts at. Now I'm gonna trade it with M and Q, everyone. You can trade it with options if you would like.
Follow through here.
But position, if you take
Eugene.
option, Jesus Christ. If you trade options, please be sure you position for a drawdown. Go light. You know, I would even say position for 50% more loss on that, because that type of trade that I'm looking at here, it's not my typical. It's called the data strategy, one strategy I created. But yeah. And the stop for me on if we take it with MNQ would be a 5-minute close above this 25,400, unless it just rips, through it. The volume on that previous candle is insane though, right? Well, if I could get the stupid thing unmuted.
I'm too small to be Godzilla.
You're funny, bro.
I'm gonna, well, I didn't get filled. I wanted some shorts up there. 390s would be the area. I'm gonna keep my stop, a 5-minute close above that 25,400. Whenever I get in.
Tesla's moving too. Asia was crazy. It's Genezilla. That's your new name, is Genezilla until further notice. Genezilla, the Asia trading menace.
I'm in shorts, everyone. M&Q shorts.
Grizzly in the shorts.
Why would it not feel that? Okay, yeah, I'm in. Having some issues.
And that sweep of pre-market high and maybe die.
I'm in shorts, everyone. Not adding, this is my full size.
What's your stop?
5-minute close above 25,400. There we go. Keep going. Trim. Let's trim here. Nice trim. I'm putting my stop above pre-market high now. Right at top of this candle. A little bit lower down, but right at pre-market high, that 386.
Hopefully you lose this. There you go.
There. That's what I'm talking about. Make sure you're managing this trade, everyone, and moving your stop. You can trail this now.
Remind me of a trade of a type of trade Brandon would take.
Who you think taught Brandon? I'm playing. Telling you, this could be a mega trade, everyone.
Your chart's looking good. 5 minutes looking good if you can hold below this 15-minute high.
There we go. I'm trimming again here.
Nice job, bro.
Beautiful trade, everyone. I'm putting my stop a little lower down. I'm still keeping it above that previous day close, 351, but
Nice one.
thanks.
Well, we can just die from here. Here, 92. Otis said, I'm about to go.
What was my entry? What do you mean? I've been telling you all my exact plan all morning. Right when I said I'm buying it, I'm shorting. $386 to 400 was the ad area. The only setup I liked this morning.
Let's go.
All right, it got the remainder of my position there. I think it still goes down, but I had to move my stop down. I didn't want to give it a chance to get back to my entry. So trade's over for me. Trade is over.
I would typically say I'd like to look for shorts up here. This price action has been aggressive. We have 15-minute high, pre-market high, aggressive wick, failure to go higher. Watch it.
Nice, Dan.
Nice trade, Grizzly.
Thanks. We have more data dropping soon too, everyone.
Been doing 4 minutes.
Business inventories.
Ooh. Go. Ooh.
Appreciate it, Chris. But it's GRIZZLY. One less L and one more Z.
I'm watching this price action. I was tempted to try shorts in this area on screen share. You can see. But I don't see all the confirmation that I want to right now. I'm not fully confident in the setup. So I'm going to wait for the data to drop. Wait for the data to
Why
drop.
did I short it? It's based off my data strategy. Pretty simple strategy to follow. We have data highs like that. I like to test shorts or puts up. Well, ideally puts, but I traded MNQ around the data highs, pre-market high. A lot of times, if we get the right entry, we can take it all the way back down to low a day. I've had it happen several times. But it's very important you don't oversize on this because, like I was saying, it could have a little more drawdown. How we doing?
Wanna wait for
We're
news?
2-0 live
No,
trading
Vegas.
this week. 2 winners, no losers yet. Oh. I'm watching for another trade, everyone. Let's hang out for a bit today. We'll see if we can catch another. We're up 2 winning trades, so I'm okay risking another trade today with you all.
No shorts for me up here.
I think if we be patient,
Yesterday's high, 409.
I think if we be patient, we could catch a better short entry.
409.
But we're gonna watch the price action and volume. This is how we're gonna try to identify that. Appreciate it, Chris. You the man. What's up? I missed someone's question. Wow, it's just like my TikTok did something weird and just kicked. Someone joined, then it just kicked it turned it off. That was strange. Whatever.
Interesting. Higher volume and a close above pre-market high.
Can you all hear me on
So
YouTube
look
now?
for a deeper pullback into this candle for a long entry.
You looking for something here, J Dunn? I didn't want to.
Longs, but it's we have to pull back another 30, 35 points. And even then, I'm not in love with the setup. I feel like it's going to do some bullshit.
Yeah, I was thinking about shorts up there, but I don't want to fade if you're wanting longs. I see both ways. I see what you're saying.
Oh, we literally got this push down here. One aggressive push. Let's see. If you like shorts, bro, take your shorts. I won't be offended. If I see no longs, I'll take my longs. So that
Probably
30
looking short, probably below 3 to 6.
All right, I'm just gonna let them do their thing. They're watching a couple of things, so I'm gonna see if I can catch another trade here. I missed that short entry up there. I was trying to align with Team Bull. My bad. Welcome back in TikTok. Hopefully nothing else happens on there. It's almost at 20K likes and it ended. We had a solid winning trade. Hopefully you all made some money with me on it. It was a good trade. Is their game plan all morning. Hopefully I understand if some of you didn't take it, but if you had planned on taking it, there's no reason you should have missed it because, you know, I gave you the exact plan. And I called out my entry and stop. So it pushed down to Asia high. Now it's bouncing some. You can't. I don't have Asia levels on the screen here because I don't want to clutter it up too much for you all. But the bottom of that wick on this candle is exactly where Asia high is. I'm gonna try shorts one more time. If we push, well, I want a little closer. We can try some. No, we can't enter right here. Because this candle here closed back above that 15-minute range. So let's be patient. The shorts could print, and that's what I'm leaning more towards here. But the risk on this trade, if we got in at 356, would be like 408. So I'm not getting to shorts again here. It could go up, is what I'm saying. I had the chart in front of me bunched up. It looked like it was above. Or below, rather. Or right at. I can't take the shorts here. We could have justified it there. It's interesting. Delta's back and forth so much, it's hard to get a read. Let's talk about it. What do you all think? Remember, group effort. What are we thinking? Let's get on the same page before a trade confirms. All right. Seems like a lot of people is in the same boat as I am. Kind of hard to get a read here. I think being patient may be the way to go. Along with. Yeah, let's just be patient. I like that. You all right. Let's be patient. Yes, we do, Jackson. I know this is going against the order, but I still like shorts. I'm not taking them. I'm just talking to you all. 440 reject. What you see up there, Austin or Nance? Sorry. I'm gonna see where this candle closes, because what I'm reading here is shorts. Everyone, I haven't really locked longs yet. I may have missed her entry. It's okay though. We had some mixed thoughts, so we just waited. It's okay. You don't catch every trade. Nice, Brittany. That's awesome. You could pass the eval. Still looking for another trade here, everyone. Hang out. What do you mean top one just closed? What do you mean by that, Red Lotus? Top one, I guess top one's a prop firm, right? Telling you all, if you're gonna try prop firms, go to grizzlytrades.com. Apex and take profit is all you need. That's it. Take profit and Apex, all you need.
Retest back up into like just about up there. 350 to 360. Not sure they're gonna give it to us though.
If you are in this trade with me, protect your position.
Real quick, I have a question for you all who are waiting on this setup. Shorts is all I'm looking for, by the way. I'll let you know if I take it. If you have any recommendations on if you have like a nice home gym or whatever, any tips, whatever, let me know because I'm having one built. It's gonna be office slash gym. A mirror for good selfies. There you go. I don't take many pictures though. It's got a decent amount of space. It's not like a massive building, but yeah, I'm definitely putting a sauna in it. Sauna, I have to have my free weights and my bench presses, but other than that, I'm open to suggestions. You like the turf floor? Wonder if I could run like rubber mat underneath. Or do they have that turf that's like the rubber? Well, it just kicked me off of TikTok again. I don't know what's up with TikTok. Hopefully everyone just comes over to Alright. I don't know what Greg's in. Too much going on voice. I gotta focus. Well, we're at point of control here, everyone. Yeah, TikTok's on my nerves today. It usually does well, so we'll go live on there again tomorrow as well. What's crazy to me is TikTok literally added someone to my live. I did not accept. I didn't request. Didn't do anything. I have to get some more accounts. That's hilarious. Rosie says, no one ever tell me how to buy. Buy what, Rosie? What are you buying? There you go, Austin. No one trying to tell you how to buy stocks. No one is trying to tell you that. Any questions for me, YouTube? Do I have a favorite truck brand? I used to, but I'm not for sure if I do anymore. The truck I have now is a Ram diesel though. We gotta be cautious here. Don't chase. It could bounce hard right here. Yes. Yes, it is a Cummins. It's 2000. It's last year's. Last year's model. Nice. I don't think I have any new recommendations. I mean, we use point of control a lot here. It's been one of the best additions to my trading that I've added in a long time. I don't have any right now. I got one more take profit. I gotta give away to a guy I already told I would. He was a winner on the TikTok side. I'm gonna send it out today. I'm gonna get some more accounts though. Nice. I like the GMC. Excuse me. Can we just all agree data strategy was it? If you had the puts, you're up nice. Hey D-Mill, I got a YouTube video. It's on here. You can just check it out on the data strategy. I mixed it up a little bit since then, but it's still basically the same. It still works. The video is still valid. Greg, don't leave Greg. He left before I could say bye. Well, still looking for a trade. I'd like to take a trade on my evals now that I've locked in some real cash. You know what I'm saying? You just say full port, Jadon? Is that what you said?
Yeah. It wouldn't give me any. For how I trade, I couldn't get any retracements today.
The data strategy was it, you know?
That strategy was it.
Indeed.
Ugh. Now we're gonna get some reversal BS here.
It's probably gonna be a candle like that.
No, of course.
9:45 one.
I wouldn't. What did you say? I
said
wouldn't expect anything less.
definitely some volume on this candle.
No, I can't short this. You kidding me? How am I supposed to short this? Can't short this. How am I supposed to short this? ES is doing the same thing too. This chart is way too messy right here. Where's the 50% retracement down for the day? I still like that 300 area. If we're gonna find a lower high in here, I'm not gonna short. Actually, I can't short this aggressive candle here. Move it to like 295 to 300-ish area with stops above like 335. I'd be open to that. But I'm not gonna get stuck in this range. Probably won't retrace that deep though. I mean, knowing this action is gonna retrace right here and then die even after a 5-minute aggressive buying pressure candle. That's probably what's gonna happen. Still got an hour left of trading. Got 1 hour left of the market today. 1 hora. 1 hora. Is that 1 hour, Gene? So your 1 hour in a reminder that you discipline over dopamine, trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. Yep, I have 1 hour left of complaining about the market.
Who said that?
I have an hour left to bitch about the market not retracing. Alright, almost there. 300 area. It's a little scary with this previous 5-minute candle, but we get to 300 area. I will try this retracement.
Crazy price action.
Close. Bruh. Don't love this trend-setting candle here. None of these really had super aggressive volume, but I still don't hate the idea of a lower high here. If we're going to catch a lower high and not be range bound, it's in this area up here. Of course, watch it.
This is
Watch
a
it
weird
go down.
price action.
It is odd, huh?
Yeah. Let's see. I like shorts where we're at, but if we push up to that 25,300, it'd be too much risk for me.
It's gonna do some bullshit. Watch. Constantly. Just constantly.
Hit point of control. Previous day low.
I have an idea. It could also, depending on how this candle closes, if you get this wick, try shorts with stops above this 5-minute high. We go into this area again, could try, test it again, back to a smaller size in the first try. And if we end up building back up and uptrending, then I'd just be done for the day. That'd be 2 red days in a row. That doesn't happen for a minute.
Have a good one, Nance. I'm watching. I like shorts here, but it's been some tough price action this morning. I hate to give you all a losing trade after that nice winner we had.
Dum. Nothing for me yet. Let's see if we get this push up into where I want. 300, 310. Price action's so odd. Testing a small piece of shorts, guys, with stops at 290.
Jay done re-entered the
Small
shorts.
piece.
I like it too. So
Come on. There we go. I got 20 points so far.
nice entry up there.
No trims for me until 20s, though. Come on. A little lower. I'm going to take a piece off here, guys, at 1-to-1. I'm going to take a piece off here at 1-to-1, guys. I trimmed down here, guys. I've trimmed down here at over 30 points. Come on. Die. Trim down here, stops here at break even. I'd like to see this continue down lower. I'm not gonna play.
All right, everyone. This that was a good setup. Jay done took it. I agree with the setup. Your entry should have been a little closer up here to give you less risk. Stop there. The point of control. The reason I'm talking about this trade, the point of control. See how well respected it is. The current point of control. Any questions? No, Take Profit, Red. Check out Take Profit. Take Take Profit. Sorry, I was seeing if TikTok was allowing me to do another live. I thought about going live on there again, but I think I may just be done before too long. Thank you. Oh, I made $1,000 on evals. All right, everyone. That was our entry. I don't really see anything else I'm crazy about today. Hopefully tomorrow we can keep TikTok working. Remember, if you have any questions, the best place to reach me is on my Instagram, okay? Go to grizzlytrades.com. You can find the link to my Instagram there. That way you don't follow some fake account. I'll see you all in the morning, okay?